Hi, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this channel, we provide information related to government-related procedures and schemes that you can follow and apply for documents and schemes in a much more easier way. We would recommend please do subscribe to this channel, which would help us create more videos of this kind, and also any information that we provide would reach you in a much more faster way. So let's get into the video, and in this video we provide information related to how to replace lost, stolen or damaged Pag-IBIG loyalty plus card in Philippines. So we have provided the information related to it in this page, and a link to this page is provided in the description of this video. You scroll down and click excuse me, scroll down and click on this link, and it would take you to this page where you have access to this information. So as you scroll down in this page, you would see we have listed down in steps on how to apply or how to replace your lost, stolen or damaged Pag-IBIG loyalty plus card. So if you click on this link here, it would this page here. I'm just going to refresh it. So in this page, what you can see is the list of offices where you can approach for replacing lost or stolen or damaged card. And in this map, as you get closer into your location, you would be able to identify the place, where is your nearest option that you can approach. And also you have there is a chatbot that you can use. You just click on it, and you could chat with it. You enter your information, all these things. You choose all these things, and also like click submit, and probably this would be an AI chatbot, and you would probably get information on what you want. And also they also have provided contact information that you could also reach us in this number that you can use, and you could reach them to get more information. So once you reach the office, you'll be provided with an application form, and you have to fill in the necessary details in the application form. And you also have to make sure that you also provide certain documents that are needed for making this process. And we also have provided the documents that might be needed in the required documents section of this page, which would help you with making the application. You also need a police report if it is lost. If it is not, if it is damaged, but if it is lost or stolen, then you have to have a police report saying that the document is lost or stolen, sort of. But you can also always check with the authorities. You could just, as I said, check with the chatbot here, or contact them through phone and get it confirmed with them that whether you have to register with police. But in most cases, you have to. So, you have to attach the photocopies of the required documents that are needed, and submit the documents uh, in the appropriate office. You choose your offices from here, that where you want to approach, and submit the application there, and the authorities would check the application and would process the application. And if everything is fine and everything is good, then your card would be replaced in 3 to 4 weeks time. So this is a simple process for applying, for your or to replacing your lost or stolen or damaged Pag-IBIG loyalty plus card. So as you scroll down in this page, we have provided required documents, office locations, eligibility, fees, application form link that you can use, and more information that would help you in going through this process. We hope we have provided enough information in this video that would help you to make the application. We would recommend please do subscribe to this channel and also give a like to this video, which would help us create more videos of this kind. And thanks for watching.